Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to share with you guys a really easy and inexpensive way to play PlayStation 2 games on your TV. Most TVs nowadays do not have AV inputs, but rather use an HDMI port. This little device here is going to allow you to connect your PS2 to your HDMI compatible TV. So the first thing you'll have to do is connect the device to the back of your PS2. Then you're going to want to connect an HDMI cable to that adapter and then connect the other end of the HDMI cable to your TV, and that's all there is to it. After that, you can connect your PS2 to power, plug in your controller, and you are ready to go. So I actually found that this device works really well. It allows me to play my PlayStation 2 games on an HDMI TV, and as you can see here, the quality is really good and I've had no issues with it. Now the main issue that people are having is they're getting audio output through their TV or monitor, but they're not getting any video output on their screen. Now, in order to fix that, you need to change the system configuration on the PlayStation 2 and set the component video out to Y, CB, PB, and then CR/PR versus having it on RGB. So these are the two main video output settings on the PlayStation 2, and if yours isn't working, it's likely set on RGB. Now, it's a little bit difficult to change those settings when you can't see what's happening on the screen, but here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to change the video output using your controller without having the screen working. So I'm going to show you how to do this with the screen on first, and then I'm going to change the settings to RGB and show you that it actually works. And so to get started, make sure you have no disk loaded into your PlayStation 2, and I'm just going to reset it. And this is going to load straight into the customization settings of the PlayStation 2. So as you can see, I've done nothing to my controller yet. Make sure your controller is on and working. And then first thing, one D-pad down, and then X, system configuration. From here, 1, 2, 3. Now you get to the component video out, and then X. And then here, you'll be in RGB, and so you'll have to go left. So you'll hit left once, you'll be here, so it's only left once. And then you'll click X to set it to the correct video out. And then you should see this on the screen after you do that. And so I'm gonna walk you through it by changing this to RGB. So I'm gonna go back here, gonna go RGB, and now you see I don't get anything. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reset my PlayStation 2. I'm gonna reset it, give it like maybe 30 seconds just in case for it to load up. And like I said, it's on RGB, everything's connected. I'm not getting any video output. So I wanna make sure my PlayStation 2 controller is on. First things first, D-pad down once, and then X. Now it goes into the settings. D-pad down 3 times, 1, 2, 3. From here, now it's on the video output settings of the PlayStation 2. You click X once, and then D-pad to the left once, and then hit X, and it should load up on the screen. And there you go. So that's the step-by-step tutorial. I will leave in my description exactly what you need to do in order to get to these video output settings. And that should help you get some video onto your PlayStation 2's monitor or TV. So like I said, the first solution is the most common issue that people have. Now, the second most common issue has to do with this USB cable that comes with the HDMI adapter for the PlayStation 2. Like you saw, I was using the Slim and I didn't have to connect this USB cable to the adapter and then into the PlayStation 2. But if you're using the original PlayStation 2, you're gonna have to use this cable. And so let me show you. This is the PlayStation 2. It's connected just like how the PS2 Slim was connected. I'm gonna turn it on. Now it's running. We'll give it 10 seconds. And you can see nothing is appearing on the screen. Give it a few more seconds. And now, once I take this USB cable and plug it into the adapter and then into the PlayStation 2, you'll see the video output show up. So I'm gonna unplug this, gonna plug in the micro USB cable into the side of the adapter, plug this back into the PlayStation 2, and then I'm gonna plug in the USB-A portion into the front of the PlayStation 2. I'm gonna take that right there. And now you'll see the video output show up on the screen. And there you go. Like I said, with the original PlayStation 2, you have to plug in this USB cable, but with the Slim, it's not necessarily mandatory. So hopefully, if the first solution didn't work for you, this one will. That is the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If it didn't, please feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll try my best to answer you. Thanks again, and I'll catch you all in the next video.